This is the Jolly Holiday Kitchen.
We're making Mexican rice. Wait up. Here's what you're gonna need to make Mexican rice.
Our cousin Abuela taught us this recipe.
This is a little teensy little, I forgot what it's called. Wait up. It's called trash can. It's called salt.
So you'll need some salt.
And then this is
Pepper.
This is leckers.
No, it's pepper.
It's peppers. It's
Hashtag pepper.
Hashtag, it's not pepper.
Cilantro.
Cilantro.
Or Roman tomatoes.
But
two looks like a booty. Here is garlic.
And this is a
lime.
And then this.
That's an onion.
This is a weird looking onion.
It's an onion, and here's the tip. Be sure to wear goggles when you're cutting it. This is a jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
The J in Spanish is a ha sound.
Oh. Jalapeno. And that's jalapeno.
It looks like a J though. And then butter, and butter comes from a butterfly.
Rice is from a
It's just one grain. We use white jasmine rice, but you can also use brown rice. Brown rice has more nutrients, but it takes longer to cook. Always look at the instructions on your rice to know how much liquid to add to it, and also how long you need to cook it.
And then you can use water or chicken bone broth.
But bone broth gives it more flavor. In another video, we're going to show you guys how to make your own bone broth using chicken bones. And if you don't have bone broth, you can use organic vegetable stock. That's what you'll need to make Mexican rice.
We're going to saute the butter, onion, and garlic. Polarizing. No, I'm doing that. Look, I'm doing
My nose hurts. My mom's gonna put this on the stove on medium heat. At medium heat. Saute it on the stove at medium heat. I said the whole thing already. We're gonna brown the rice with the garlic and onion. Now we're gonna add the Roma tomatoes.
Para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte.
Now we're gonna add the chicken broth. So we cut a slice in our jalapeno, and we're gonna put it in the middle. Now we're gonna add cilantro and the juice from a whole lime. Now we're gonna add about a tablespoon of salt. Add as much pepper as you would like. When you see it start to boil, turn the heat down to simmer. Then you put the cover on.
Hey Siri, set timer for 20 minutes.
This is what it looks like when it's all done. When you're all done, add some fresh cilantro and salt and pepper.
Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe.